Hi friends, this video shows how to backup and restore data using ADB debugging or USB debugging. Go to settings, set all settings from top right corner, go to system, go to about, go down, select Android TV OS build. Here we need to press OK button on the remote 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See the message, you are now a developer. Go back. Now under system you can find new option called developer options. Set it. These are a list of developer options. From this list let me enable this USB debugging or ADB debugging. Done. Enabled. After that let me go to laptop. Here we need to install one tool, ADB tool. See, I have downloaded this zip file from internet, then extracted it. Here you can see adb.exe. From here, from this path, we need to open command prompt. I already opened command prompt here. So from this command prompt, we can run commands. So before that, we need to connect this laptop to TV using USB cable. You can see that I already connected this laptop to TV via USB cable. So after that, and here you can see one USB icon. That means I have successfully connected this laptop to TV or device. Okay, so next I am going to run commands here. Here you can see a lot of commands, but in this video we are going to focus only these two commands, backup and restore. First let me run this backup command. So using this backup command, see, I can take backup of all data from the TV or device, then create this backup file in laptop. So let me copy this. Then paste here, run it. So when I run this command, it creates this new file backup.ab file in laptop. So here in this TV you can see new screen. Here we have to set backup my data. You can see backup my data option, bottom right corner. Set it. See, backup starting. Please wait. Okay, backup finished. So next I am going to check this backup file. Go to this folder and here you can see backup.ab. Here you can see the size of the backup file. Okay, after this backup, if you want, you can factory reset or hard reset this TV or device. Then you can restore this data. That is the main use of this backup and restore. So next I will show you how we can restore. This is a restore command. ADB restore, then that backup file. Copy this command. Go to terminal. Paste it. Run. Again you can see the same screen here. Go to bottom right corner, set restore my data. Restore starting. Okay, restore ended. Okay, so this way we can do backup and restore using USB debugging or ADB debugging. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.